If you find that you can't focus on any task, whether it's studying, business, your job, or any kind of work, it means you are experiencing brain fog. In today's video, we will learn what the symptoms of brain fog are, what causes it, and what home remedies can help. First of all, you need to understand that brain fog is not a medical condition. It occurs due to cognitive dysfunction, meaning if there is some issue with your understanding, if you are unable to comprehend things properly, or if your ability to grasp things is not well developed, then you may experience brain fog. Just like clouds gather in the sky, it will feel as if clouds are gathering in your mind and you will feel dull. Everything will always seem unclear. Nothing will feel clear. You will keep feeling strange. You will feel this strangeness throughout the day. First, let's understand what its symptoms are. Number 1 is difficulty in concentration, meaning you won't be able to focus on anything or do it with full attention. You will have to repeat things again and again. Even if you want to, you are unable to concentrate. Number 2 is forgetfulness. That is, you keep forgetting things repeatedly. If someone tells you something in the morning, you'll forget it by evening, or you're unable to remember things for a long time. This is a basic problem you might face. Number 3 is lack of mental clarity, meaning you won't have mental clarity. You won't be able to understand anything clearly. It will take you a long time to grasp things, and you'll keep doubting yourself repeatedly. Number 4 is slow thinking. You think very slowly, you don't think quickly. Number 5 is confusion. You remain very confused. Number 6 is mental fatigue, meaning you'll constantly feel a kind of tiredness in your mind. Look, physical fatigue is a separate thing. Mental fatigue is a different thing altogether. Does your mind always feel heavy? Number 7 is low motivation. You constantly need to be motivated. There's no such thing as motivation in your life, and you watch a lot of motivational content. But after watching it, you stay motivated for a few days and then go back to your old ways. All your motivation disappears. Number 1 difficulty is in finding the right words. That is, if you want to express anything, then you have to find the right words. You have trouble finding the right words. In other words, you're not able to express things properly through words. Number 9, decision making. That is, you're not able to make decisions quickly, or even if you do, you often end up making the wrong decision. Number 10, trouble sleeping. That is, you have a lot of difficulty falling asleep. You don't fall asleep easily. And even if you do sleep, you keep tossing and turning all night. You have a lot of trouble sleeping. Number 11, irritability, meaning you get annoyed easily, you become irritated or frustrated quickly. People will say that you get irritated very quickly. If this happens to you, understand that this is also a symptom. Number 12, the most dangerous is anxiety. You worry a lot unnecessarily. You keep worrying all the time. You even think about things that aren't worth worrying about. You keep getting tense. Number 13, depression. You live in a lot of depression, always lost in your thoughts. No one is able to make you understand. Even if someone does explain, your depression still doesn't go away. You become dependent on medication. As soon as you stop the medicine, the depression comes back. Number 14, headache. You get a lot of headaches. If you get a checkup done, nothing shows up. You keep taking painkillers, but the pain still doesn't go away. You keep getting headaches again and again. Number 15, sensitivity to light and sound. You get irritated very quickly by light and sound. You are extremely sensitive and can't tolerate it. Where normal people don't have any trouble, you have a lot of difficulty with light and sound. Now let's learn about the root causes related to the brain. Factor number 1, lack of sleep. You are not sleeping on time, not waking up on time, or you are not getting enough sleep. Number 2, poor diet, meaning your eating habits are not good at all. You eat unhealthy food, you don't eat hygienically. You eat all sorts of random things. There is no schedule for your meals, no timetable. Do you understand? Just check once what all you are eating. Number 3, dehydration. Your body is lacking water. This problem also occurs because of that. Number 4, stress. You are taking on too much stress. It could be work stress, family stress, or relationship stress. It could be any kind of stress. You are taking a lot of stress in your mind. Number 5, the reason is hormonal imbalance. If there is a chemical imbalance in the brain, that too can cause brain fog. Number 6, sedentary lifestyle, meaning there is no movement or activity in your life. Number 7, vitamin deficiency. Vitamin C, vitamin D, omega-3, etc. Due to deficiency as well, brain fog increases. Number 8, overuse of technology. You have become overly dependent on technology. Earlier, we used to do many things without technology. If you look back a little, nowadays it's almost impossible to manage without it. Because of that too, brain fog has increased. Number 9, chronic illness. If there is any disease, any illness, any physical or mental discomfort that has been going on for a long time and is not getting better, that can also cause you to experience brain fog. Number 10, medication side effects. If you are taking any medicine that is causing you side effects, that can also increase brain fog. But the good news is that you can fight this. Listen carefully to what you should do. Number 1, fix your sleep schedule. Go to bed on time. Make a timetable for yourself. Decide what time you will sleep and what time you will wake up, and make sure you get at least 6 hours of sleep. Try to do this. If you still get less than 6 hours of sleep, then practice yoga nidra and similar techniques. Do pranayama and so on. If you practice pranayama, your need for sleep will decrease. But there's no need to deliberately reduce your sleep like that. Get proper sleep and make a schedule. Number 2, hydrate. If you're only drinking 2 glasses of water a day, then drink 4 glasses. I'm not going to tell you to drink 5 or 6 glasses. No, gradually increase the volume starting today. Brain fog can also be caused by a lack of water, so increase your water intake a little. Number 3, eat a brain-healthy diet. Eat leafy vegetables, eat spinach, eat fenugreek, eat carrots, eat radishes, and also eat radish leaves. You can make a vegetable dish out of them. All these vegetables contain antioxidants, omega-3, vitamin B12, vitamin D, and so on. Make sure to sit in the sun for at least 10 minutes. Be sure to try all these practices. Number 4, exercise regularly. See, you really should exercise. At least go for a walk. If you can't run, then just walk. Even if you can only do a little and can't do that much, then do yoga. Do some physical postures. I would say you should definitely walk. Walk for at least 20 minutes. If you can exercise, that's even better. Number 5, practicing mindfulness is very important. If you practice mindfulness or do pranayama such as Bhastrika pranayama, Ujjayi pranayama, or Nadi Shodhan pranayama, these are very effective practices that help reduce your stress. Your focus increases and brain fog goes away just like that. To learn this, there is a special video on the science of pranayama that you can definitely watch. You should also see that video in the I button. If you don't see it there, we will provide it in the description for you. Number 6, manage stress. Look, if stress is increasing in your life, then note down the reasons for your stress. This is called journaling. By journaling, your stress automatically decreases. Apart from that, you can try other therapies as well. Yoga therapy, for example, or the therapies we do, like brain rewire therapy, or the premium course on the Manthan app. With that, you'll understand where your stress is coming from, and you'll be able to manage it better. Number 7, limit screen time. Look, just promise yourself that you will stay away from the screen 3 times for 20 minutes, 20 minutes, and 20 minutes. Stay away from your mobile screen. If you can stay away from screens for even longer, that's even better for you. In fact, I would say even half an hour or up to 45 minutes each time, 3 times a day, 45 minutes, 45 minutes, 45 minutes. Keep your mobile away from you. Don't touch it. Make this a habit. This is going to benefit you a lot. Number 8, supplements for vitamins. If your doctor suggests that you have a deficiency of vitamins, B12, D, or omega-3, then you can take supplements, and it's better to take Ayurvedic supplements. If you don't even want to take those, then just eat well at home. Have a nutritious diet. What did people do in earlier times? The leftover roti from the night before, they would eat it in the morning with buttermilk or yogurt. That would take care of any vitamin deficiencies. There was never a shortage of vitamin C. Nowadays, people have stopped doing that. People think, who would eat stale roti? Alright, but even if you eat stale roti in the morning right away with buttermilk or yogurt, it still contains a lot of vitamins. Try it once. You'll benefit a lot from it. Number 9, engage in mental exercise. That means at least once a day, read something, read the newspaper or some spiritual books. What I suggest to you is to engage your mind a little. For example, read Sanskrit shlokas, recite them, try to practice them, engage your mind a little in this way. You will benefit greatly from this, and it has been shown that those who recite or listen to Sanskrit shlokas, even their brains improve. The brain's cognitive ability improves. Number 10, connects with nature. Stay connected with nature. Step outside for a bit. Look at a tree. Have a little conversation with a few people. Spending 5 or 10 minutes won't hurt anything. Connect with like-minded people. Number 11, mantra, healing, and visualization that we practice. Or if you want even more exclusive training and want to recover from brain fog faster, you can do Kundalini visualization and similar practices. In other words, something that might take you months, 2 months, or even 3 months to recover from. It's possible that you could recover from it within a week. To watch more informative videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, share this video. Stay tuned, we'll see you in the next video. All the best.